Hello everyone, thanks for watching our video. Today we're going to introduce you guys to one of the new vacuum cleaner from Roidme Ever, the self-cleaning and emptying robot vacuum cleaner. So for now, everyone is jumping into robotic vacuum cleaners, right? And according to my own survey, all of my friends, they would like to purchase the robotic vacuum cleaners, and some of them already using them, and they think it's pretty awesome. So if you are considering buying the appliances, like, take a look at this video and watch till the end, because we have so many new things to share with you guys. And I've just received this boy. I can't wait to see what is inside this box. Yes, what is in the box? By opening everything, looks really cool. So it's right here, it's a robotic vacuum cleaner, and it comes with like 4 mops right here. And I'll actually, by opening it, it comes with the 1 HEPA filter right here and the tank, the dust tank. And also they provide the 2-in-1 brush, yeah, and the manual. So this one is Roidme Eve base. Yay! So it comes with this box. Let's see what is inside. And oh, this one is like extra side brush and dust box, like 4 of them, including 1 is this, like totally 5. And this one is charging cable, and oh yeah, cleaning brush. Yeah, we're gonna clean like inside, and inside there's like water tanks right here. Yeah, cool guys. Okay, let's take a look at the Roidme vacuum cleaner. It has a quadrangle shape with a smooth edge. Anyway, Roidme Ever still looks pretty good. As we can see, Roidme obviously made a huge step ahead on the Ever model. They get rid of the huge buttons and made it like one small line. Okay, these are a spot line, are the power and the home buttons, right? So spot cleaner is a pretty impressive button. It was created to find a spot and clean it. Right after completion, the robot will automatically go back to their charging base. This is obviously a power button and accompanying with the home button together. So on the surface, we can see that they are new upgraded Lidus 360-degree omnidirectional LDS navigator, which can create the home map, preventing bumping the home appliances, and smart detection of the head to avoid being stuck under low furniture or in darkness. Okay, so let's see what else. So on the side, okay, there is like right here infrared window sensor on preventing bumpings into the furniture. If such case will arise, like it has a bumper system, that this one, along with the edge, nice padding to prevent any damage. It seems like the life motto of the Roidme is safety comes first. So what else? Oh yeah. So this one is a TOF wall tracking sensor. It was created to identify walls and clean all the corner in your house. Yeah. So oh yeah, this side. So on the back side, we can see there's a charging contact places and dust collection ports. So opening up the surface, okay, let's see. Opening up the surface, we can see these followings, and yeah, this is a removable dust box with the HEPA filters right here on the side, and we also can see there's like reset button there, you know, this orange color, and right here is 2-in-1 cleaning brush. You can use it to cut away all the hair and the fibers entangled on the main brush. Okay, looking at the bottom part of the vacuum cleaner, I can see very impressive 2 large, mops, which are really they are really different from the previous model. It reminds me of like electric mopping machine, but with a robotic version of it. So we talk about this function in detail later on. Okay, so but talking about appearance, is like it's a W type HL antibacterial mop for a deeper, faster, and more thorough cleaning way, and they combine a white soft fabric and they're actually which cares about the ground, and the gray polyester fibers for stubborn stains all together. So yeah, So as you can see, there's like 6 height sensors that prevent it from falling down and causing the damage. In the previous model, they used to have like 2 side brushes, but they decided to keep only 1 brush, which is located on the right side of the vacuum cleaner. Oh yeah, there's actually a V-shaped brush in the middle of the robot. You can easily take it out and open it. And you know, by the way, like you can use 2-in-1 cleaning tool to clean the brush. Like Eva has additionally added one directional wheel, which is located in the back side. Yeah, this one. I like this sound, you know, right? So I think it's time to talk about the charging base. Yay! As we can observe, Roidme has upgraded pretty much everything. It's much lighter than Eve, at least twice big, as I can see that. So there are 4 buttons on the surface right here. This is like a mop cleaning, recall or dispatch for the robot, start or pause the base station, and automatic dust collection. So you can easily monitor all cleaning progress under this LED color display. There's 6 different type of indicators that can remind you if there's any matter or what's going on actually right now. So they are charging contacts and dust collection ports underneath. Like moreover, these way it performs the mop cleaning function, as I told you, which is really pretty impressive. I haven't seen any other models have this kind of feature. So opening up this base, you can see all instruction on the lead part. Okay, there are 4 large capacity water tanks that separate clean water from dirty water. So you can use this cleaning solution right here for your future needs. Just add a few drops to the clean water tank, and here's antibacterial dust bag. I have this one, so we can take out by dragging these parts. It looks like a big enough because you know, you can use it at least for 60 days. I think it's it's pretty enough. And there's actually 5 dust bags, so you can use it all of them for around 1 year. Another brush is located on their charging base. You can basically use it for cleaning these 2 water tanks what is inside, or this, you know, this part. Yeah, that's all. Roidme vacuum cleaner can be controlled by using the Roidme Cleaner app. And you can just download it by scanning QR code right here. It supports both Android and iOS system. By the way, it also works with the Mijia Mi Home. It can be controlled via Mi Home app and interconnected with other Xiaomi smart devices. I've mentioned that it's compatible with the smart home assistant, right? You can easily use your voice to control it. Roidme even integrates the smart home system, which is compatible with Alexa and Google Home. I help users to easily manage household cleaning tasks with the simple voice commands, and this is absolutely amazing. So let's try it. Now we're going to use this vacuum cleaner. Let's see how to do that. So all you have to do is take out this clean water tank, fill it up with water, add a little bit of the cleaning solution, input back into charging base. That's all. Roidme Eva showed up absolutely great results on the floor. It cleaned every single debris on the floor and it hasn't missed anything. So on the carpet, we turn on the single sweeping mode to see how does it work on the carpet. So it easily cleans the pet hair and good amount of the large material on this surface type. So Roidme robot vacuum has the cleaning power to dislodge dust and dirt from the dense fibers. It will automatically increase the suction power when the carpet is detected. So Roidme has more suction power, as I said before. It's full 3,200 Pascals, so it can easily absorb different type of debris and the garbage. Okay, let's see how this mop gonna work out on the hard floor. Yeah. I'm kind of excited. So its new mopping system can effectively clean their stains. This model has 12N pressurized bionic mopping feature. It means that it wipes the floor to clean the tough stains like just a human hand. Yeah, that's pretty much impressive, yeah? So after cleaning and mopping have been completed, we return the robot to the charging station to see and examine the dust collection and mop cleaning performance. The dust box is empty and the garbage was sucked up to the dust collector, and all the dirty water will go to the wastewater tank. So I'm most looking forward to seeing Mop's self-cleaning results. Wow, this indeed very clean and absolutely great. Since I joined Mature, we have tried so many vacuum cleaners and compared with others vacuum cleaners, so Droidme definitely has lots of highlights than any others. So the mop rotates very fast during the cleaning process and it will swing up and down. The mopping cleaning efficiency is very high and the weight of this machine is like 4.2 kg, which can better clean up the stubborn stains, right? So by returning to the base, the self-cleaning procedure wipes out 99.99% of bacteria, viruses, and matter of the HEPA filters and active oxygen. So Droidme Eva is the world's first vacuum mop cleaner robot that can automatically clean, wash, and dry itself. Not only shows great results on the mopping the floors, and also we've just mentioned it very comprehensive in vacuuming. Its large suction power also makes it very efficient to clean up the garbage. So what are the difference between these two, the Droidme Eva and Droidme Eve? Look at this mopping cleaning system, right? Because the mopping method is greatly improved, comes with a self-cleaning system that allows us to wash and dry the mop pad without using our hands to touch the mop microfiber pad. So also we can see that these like two side brushes and there's only one. So personally, I will give my choice to the Droidme Eva for sure. Currently, Droidme is under crowdfunding on the Indiegogo. The original price is $999 USD. But company gives you a nice discount with 20% off. You can get it for only 799 bucks. If you would like to purchase two, so we'll get it for only 1,348 USD. Yay! So each of the vacuum cleaners will cost you around 674 USD as a guess. So compared with original price, you can save up more than 300 bucks. Such a great deal. Oh my god, I'm gonna buy two, probably, yeah. So finally, by summarizing all information, here's what we've learned. Droidme is such a super powerful, high intelligent robot vacuum cleaner with mopping and self-cleaning and sweeping features. And yes, that's all. Thank you guys for watching our video. I sincerely appreciate your support. Hope this video was useful and more informative and for your future purchase. Okay, bye guys. Love you. See ya. Yay. My baby.